You trying to fit in real bad. Be different.
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell.
It must be truly exhausting when people are trying to fit in where they do not belong. Like, I've seen people behave and speak a certain way around certain people just so they can get the approval of the people. And I just be looking at them like, that's not you. That's not who you are. Why are you pretending to be something that you're not around these people? There is absolutely nothing wrong with the person that you are, so embrace who you are. Why do you want to be like the next? Like, I never understand why people do things to be like the next person. As they always say, God has made only one of you. So be you. Why do you really want to be like the next person? It's weird. It really is weird. Like, I can understand when you're like a child and you're trying to like fit in because you don't want to be teased and like you don't want to be bullied because children are wicked. They're mean when it comes to that type of stuff. So I can understand when you're a child and you're trying to figure yourself out and you're trying to fit in and you're trying to do things so you don't want to be teased, like you want that belonging. But when you are a grown adult and you are doing things to fit in, you need to reevaluate yourself. Because if you have to change who you are to belong to a certain group, then something's wrong with you. Be yourself. Embrace who you are. You should never change who you are for somebody else. If you have to change for people, if you have to try to fit in, you don't belong. It's like that puzzle piece that you think belong to your puzzle and it don't, but you still just put it there anyway because it's kind of shaped like it. Like, that's what you look like as a grown adult, trying to force yourself to be something that you're not. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you as to why you feel like you have to fit in and do things that is out of... You are doing a disservice to yourself. That is out of the ordinary. It doesn't make sense. Be you. Be an individual. Don't follow the leader. Be the leader. Be the trendsetter. It's crazy. Like, it's really crazy because I'm really just sitting here thinking, like, and I'm just thinking of scenarios, how people really, really sit here and try to be something that they're not just to impress or get the approval of people. Like, what? Being you is what's in. Like, if that's who you are, cool, but that's not who people are. Like I said, I've seen people pretending to be something they're not to fit in at our big grown age. Oh yeah, do that fire. It doesn't make no sense. So I don't know who needs to hear this message, but be you. You are you for a reason. Who cares if people think you're weird, you're crazy, you're this and you're that and the third? As long as you are happy with who you are, that's what matters. I tell people all the time, what people think of me is none of my business. Like, I truly don't care. If people have really nice things to say about me, thank you. I honestly and truly appreciate it. But any of that other stuff, I really don't care about. I mean, either way, like I said, what people have to think or say about you, it's none of your business. Because worrying about that does yourself a disservice. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm late as usual. My apologies. I am truly sorry, but I'm gonna get it together one day. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.